Abahlali basemjondolo yasePhumla Mqashi bavuke umbhejazane, bavala umgwaqo, bamashela emahhovisini enkampani ehlinzeka ngamanzi eGoli, iJoburg Water, bekhala ngamanzi.
Kahle apha amanzi bekhona. Leya lamajojo tank, it's about ama-tenders. Why ugovernment wethu, if a fair ugovernment we-ANC, kutheni ngathathanga le mali yamathenda, alungise enze a proper water, more than imali ayiwaste kumathenda, amatraka athutha amanzi.
Lezi zakhamuzi zithi zizimisele ukwakhokhela amanzi. Lokhu ke kuza emva kokuba zizivumele zona ukuthi bezixhume amapayipi ngokungemthetho.
And we give them opportunity to come and to call all the forces that the government have to come and disconnect the illegal connections, not to close the valve of communal taps.
Even in the last memorandum, we said government must put the meters, community will to pay. As much as we know in terms of the unemployment, but they are willing to pay.
Lezi zakhamuzi zihambisa uhlu lwezikhalo kwabavela ehhovisini lemeya yaseGoli kanye nabavela ehhovisini likaNdunankulu wesifundazwe.
The Premier being the last office, the Mayor being the last office, the City of Johannesburg, they will just do the coordination so that we then say what is the long-term solution on this matter, because we cannot promote or say people must continue doing illegal things that we can't allow.
Imeya yaseGoli kanye noNdunankulu wesifundazwe iGauteng banikwe izinsuku eziyikhombisa ukuba bephendule ngohlu lwezikhalo abanikwe zona namhlanje.